Welcome. In front of me is a General Mobile GM5 Plus, and I'll show you how to turn on the device in safe mode. We'll start off by holding the power key, and once you see the power off option, hold that till the phone shuts off. Normally you would get a message to confirm the reboot into safe mode, but here it's non-existent, as you can see. And the device will reboot, and once it's back on, you will see that little message on the bottom stating that the device is indeed in safe mode. So let's just give it a second to turn it back on. And as you can see, there's a message on the bottom, safe mode, meaning that it is in safe mode. And now only the essential apps are working and everything else it's disabled. Now if you want to leave this mode, you can just reboot the device by holding the power key and select restart, like so. And once it's turned back on, it will be back in the normal mode. And as you can see, the message is gone and the device is back in normal mode. So this is how you access safe mode and also how you leave it. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.